Hi, my name's Martin and I'm the Product Director here at eOne. Over the next 2 weeks, we're going to run a series called Demystifying Extender. Now, why does Extender need demystifying? And that is, it's a tool that can add unlimited numbers of fields, unlimited numbers of new screens to Dynamics GP, which for most people is magic. So we want to take away some of that magic and teach you all there is to know about Extender. Firstly, to summarize, Extender is a no-code, rapid deployment, easy to upgrade, low cost, very, very configurable, easy to report on way to customize Dynamics GP. As somebody once said, you cannot report on something if you do not capture it. Now, my poor little guy here got caught and is interrogated, and we'll find everything else there is to know about him. It's the same with Extender. If you don't capture your business data, how can you report on it and use it to make better business decisions? So we want to help you with Extender capture the data you need to capture at the right time. In this series, we're also going to look at the fact that Extender is easy to report on. Now, this poor guy here got himself tangled up in knots. He tried to write reports direct to the Extender tables, didn't use the functionality he should have, and so we'll clear that up and show you that it is the easiest ISV tool to report on. We're also going to cover off that Extender is way more than a few extra fields. A lot of you have added 1, 2, 3 fields to an existing GP concept. We're going to show you the depth of functionality that can build an entire application and not just a few extra fields. We also want to highlight areas that you've never seen. So things in Extender, the tricks, the tips, the deep functionality, particularly around Extender Enterprise, that you haven't touched at this point. We're also going to look at selling, how to sell Extender. So this is for the resellers, and how we would differentiate it as an ERP tool and differentiate GP to make you some big dollars. Also, the way you demo. Demoing is the key to selling software. And there's 2 ways to demo. One is to an existing customer and one is to a new GP prospect. It's a completely different process, particularly when you involve Extender into the deal. So we will cover those 2 topics. Now, we're also going to prove that diving into the deep end with development is not necessarily the best idea. Extender can be a very good solution and alternative to custom development, keeps the costs down, and keeps stickier and happier customers. Now, more controversially, I'm going to prove that cats love mice. In this case, that Extender is the DEX developer's best friend. Now, some of you may or may not believe that, but we'll show you. We'll bring some of our DEX developers on to discuss how and why they use Extender and how it saves them an enormous amount of time, delivers better solutions, means the developer is spending time on the more exciting, more difficult activities, and giving you happier customers at a lower price point. So that's what we'll cover. Bear with me over the next 2 weeks on the eOne blog and our website, and watch for more articles, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.